And the opening candle continuation is one of the most popular ones right now. It's a very interesting report. And pretty much what this one does, if you look at every time the first hour of the session from 9:30 to 10:30 is green, which is this bar right over here, the one on the left, 76% of the time in the last 6 months, the day has actually closed green. If that first hour is red, 69% of the time, the day has closed red. So now that first hour gives me such a strong bias for the rest of the day because I know that in the last 6 months, almost 77% of the time, the day will close in the case where it's green, the day has closed green. In the case where it's red, the day has closed red.
Yeah, just let me interrupt because that's particularly
Sure.
important in a non like breakout trend day, right? Because in a regular day, you're going to be closer to unched on the day
Yeah.
than, some of the days we saw last week where it's like, all right, fine, we're going to close green, but we're going to close red, but I'm not going to, I can't put my stop at break it at unchanged because it's too far away.
Correct. And 100, that's a great point. And what this helps me do is understand my bias for the day, understand the direction. When I was a beginner trader, that was one of the things that I struggled with most is should I be bullish or should I be bearish today? I'm not sure. And instead of guessing or instead of going based on what you see in the news or whatever else, I like to use data to determine where my levels are, where I want price to stay below this area, or I want price to stay above it, or I'm expecting price to retrace here because X amount of time in the last 6 months, that's what happened.